Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and
Waalaikumsalam
warm
warahmatullahi
greeting to all
wabarakatuh.
distinguished participants of the Friday morning Zoom in English of Jati Sampurna District, Bekasi City, had today, Friday, August 7, 2026. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna District, Honorable District Secretary, Honorable Head of Community Environment Section of Jati Sampurna District, Honorable Head of Village, respective PKK Administrator, community leaders, and all participants joining this meeting. First of all, let us express our gratitude to Almighty God for His blessing, allowing us to gather virtually this morning in good health and high spirit. The theme of today's Friday morning meeting is preparation for creative, innovative, and collaborative PKK communication at Bekasi City level 20 and 26. This activity is strategically designed to strengthen coordination, readiness, innovation, and collaboration among all stakeholders in supporting Kelurahan Jatirangga as the official representative of Jati Sampurna District at the city level competition. To begin our agenda, this great respect, I would like to invite the head of the Community Empowerment Section of Jati Sampurna District, Ms. Reni Esther Siregar, to deliver her comprehensive presentation regarding the strategic blueprint for the competition. Ms. Reni, the virtual floor is yours.
Ms. Yanti, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, esteemed colleges, leadership, and all attendees. I hope everyone has had a productive week as we gather for this today morning meeting, today August 7th, 2026. My name is Reni Esther Siregar, ESCOM, as the head of Community Empowerment Section for Jati Sampurna District. It is a privilege to stand before you. I am pleased to present Jatirangga Sub-District's blueprint for the 2026 Bekasi City PKK competition. This presentation outlines our strategic red lines for the upcoming evaluation. Next. Our framework is built on 3 pillars to ensure lasting community impact. First, evaluate to measure the effectiveness of the 10 main PKK programs. Second, motivate to encourage our cadres to design breakthrough services. And third, mobilize to actively engage everyone so the benefits are directly felt by local residents. Next. Moving on to our third slide, let's take a closer look at our strategic roadmap. Intensive coaching drives total readiness for the 2026 assessment. We have structured our journey into 3 critical phases to ensure nothing is left to chance. Currently, we are in the present state of intensive and sustainable coaching. This is a high activity phase where our district team and the Jati Sampurna District TP-PKK management are actively and consistently deployed to the field. Our singular focus during this session is the optimal fulfillment of all indicators. We are fine-tuning every detail to meet the rigorous standards of the city-level evaluation. Our next major milestone is the final indicator synchronization. This is perhaps the most pivotal step in our preparation. It is here that we are ensure a seamless alignment between our administrative data, the records and reports, and the on-the-ground reality in Jatirangga. We aim for a good standards where our documentation perfectly reflect the tangible progress and innovation seen by the evaluators. Finally, we have our target window set for August or September 2026. While we are currently awaiting the final fixed schedule from the Bekasi City TPPKK, we are maintaining a state of peak readiness. This route map ensures that when the official competition execution begins, Jatirangga will not just be a participation, but a leader in a community excellence. Next. Success is determined by 3 dimensions: a solid administrative foundation through the secretariat, verified physical field evidence, such as a posyandu and healthy home, and finally, innovation that provide significant added value and community impact. Next. Moving forward, let's explore the operational heart of our community strategy. The 4 interconnected pillars of community empowerment. These pillars represents how we translate the 10 main PKK programs into specialized, actionable work streams through our 4 working groups, or Pokja, kelompok kerja. First, we have Pokja 1, which focus on the mental and social foundation of our residents. We priority child and adolescent parenting, especially the PAAR program in the digital era. Internalization of Pancasila values and the preservation of our traditional gotong royong culture. Second is Pokja 2, targeting economic and intellectual growth. Our cadres foster local MSME or UMKM, business and manage community cooperatives. Furthermore, we stimulate intellectual development through reading gardens and provide comprehensive family support via Family Tribina Group, BKB, BKR, and BKL. Next, Pokja 3, handle food and environment. The pillar is centered on the Aku Hatinya PKK program, where we encourage the use of home yachts for family medical plans, toga, and household level food, clothing, and housing security. Finally, Pokja 4 is dedicated to health quality. We focus on creating healthy home environment and providing integrated primary health services at our local posyandu, including driving participation in family planning or KB. Next slide. Now I would like to take you on a virtual tour of our flagship model in RW number 16. We call this the field review journey through the RW 16 ecosystem. First, we arrive at Zone 1, the commercial hub. This zone showcases the Rajawali MSME and canteen, fostered directly by our PKK cadres. Next, Zone 2, the food security area. This is direct realization of the Aku Hatinya PKK program, featuring lush hydroponic gardens, catfish and tilapia farming, and our toga garden. Our journey continues to Zone 3, the health and services node. This features the local posyandu and standardized healthy home representations. Finally, we reach Zone 4, the Circular Economy Center. This is home to our cadre cooperative and our flagship West Bank, creating sustainable economic value. Building on the ecosystem tour, slide 7 presents the technical backbone, mapping administration indicator directly to ground reality. For Pokja 2, we map the economic empowerment UP2K indicators directly to the Rajawali MSME and Cadre Cooperative. For Pokja 3, the Aku Hatinya PKK and food security indicators are evidenced by our hydroponics and catfish or tilapia farming, while the family medical plans indicator is perfectly represented by the RW 16 Toga Garden. Next, Pokja 4. Health and family planning is directly tied to the local posyandu and healthy homes. Finally, our innovation pillar, community impact, is spearheaded by the Technology Integrated West Bank. Every single one of these indicators has been physically verified. Next slide. Now, we arrive at the crown jewel of our strategy. The RW16 Technology Integrated West Bank, it sets a new standard for modern waste management. On the graph, we balance environment, sustainability, cleanliness, and waste reduction. On the y-axis, with local economic empowerment, circular economy x-axis. Our progress starts with resident-led primary sorting, accelerated through the integration of the latest technology, and peaks at catalytic community growth. Next slide. As seen on slide 9, this technology implies outcomes, source separation of the organics, recyclable and residual waste feeds into technology integrated processing. This yield dual benefits, environment restoration or clean living spaces, and economic yield or financial benefits channel back to the community. Next slide. We maintain high momentum through synchronized preparations, including administrative alignment, meetings, and on-the-ground coaching visit by both district and sub-district teams. Next slide. To conclude, Jatirangga Sub-District and Jatisampurna District are fully committed, administratively verified, and practically mobilized. We are ready to deliver the highest standard for Bekasi City on the 2026 PKK Creation Competition. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Ms. Reni Esther Siregar, for that highly systematic and impressive blueprint presentation regarding our preparation for the 20 and 26 PKK competition. The detailed mapping of the four interactive pillars and the incredible integration of the teach-based West Bank truly reflect the massive stride we are making in Jatisampurna to provide strategic direction, policy reinforcement, and further guidance on how we will execute this blueprint. I would now like to respectfully invite the head of Jatisampurna District to deliver his response. Honorable Mr. Camat, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Sriyanti, and massive appreciation to Mrs. Reni and entire community improvement section team for the excellent and well structured presentation. The strategic roadmap you present, especially the clear mapping from administrative indicator to verifiable file evidence in RW16 show that our preparation is being handled with absolute seriousness and precision. I want to emphasize to everyone present today. This competition is not merely about catching trophy or winning title. More important, it is the ultimate reflection of how the government apparatus, our dedicated PKK cadres, and the community can work hand in hand to empower families and elevate the welfare of our residents. The flagship innovation, the Tech Integrate was bank in RW16, is a brilliant focal point. It perfectly bridges environmental sustainability with local economy improvement, and the strength must communicate flawless to the assessment team. However, blueprint mean nothing without ground execution. Therefore, to understand the absolute readiness at the village level in much greater detail, I would like to directly invite the head of Kelurahan Jatirangga, Mr. Iban Sugianto, SPD. Please deliver your comprehensive readiness report to us all today.
Thank you, Mr. Head of District, for your sharp insight and inspiring word. We will now process as request. We respectfully invite Mr. Iban Sugianto, Head of Kelurahan Jatirangga, deliver his presentation regarding the file readiness. Mr. Iban, please go ahead. Mr. Iban, please.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Yanti. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Honorable Host of District, Moderator District, Sekretaris, Head of Village, PKK, Administration, or all participants of this Friday morning, June on behalf of Kelurahan Jatirangga is expressed on the present gratitude for the trust give to us to respond. Jati Sampurna District the is on honor of happy responsibility the plus on collaboration spirit. It's very good to respond the or proposition of Billy Eigler with the blueprint recent research. Over the press week, the PLEG government, the PKK, RW, RT administration, youth organization of resident have worked tirelessly for the Secretariat of Trust we hope subformally cross-management or administration in the position or moderator PKK book disgrace on upload Dasawisma data block or community organ and ready for participation. For Pokja 1, the implementation of the Par Digital Presentation Program on Gotong Royong, police or deploying emblem and documentation for Pokja 2, the UMKM, Rajawali, and or community operation or family operational completion with Binarian. Ready on marketing materials for Pokja 3 or for security secretaries, security or partnering the hydrotic golden captain tilapia pomerming on the toga garden is loose well monitored on prestige accumulates the Hatmia PKK indikator por Pokja 4 por Orlog Posyandu on Herdi Hamas indicator or opted and greedy with or health classful treatment to get the implement trees. The main assessment that is Sikten complex poorly host beautifully then with color disclosing information broad and implementation collaboration of all community participation is actability or placing innovation the dig integrant was bank is opening promising turning was sorting into public economic volume for all resident. Or is region there is always room for information and who remaining English open the suggestion and would from all of you to portion or final proposition. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Mr. Iban Sugianto, for the very detailed and highly encouraging readiness report. It is fantastic to hear that all Pokja indicators are physically verified on the ground. Next, we respectfully invite the head of Jati Sampurna District to provide his response to Kelurahan Jatiranga's preparation. To Mr. Chamar, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Iban
Waalaikumsalam
Sugianto.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That was a highly comprehensive and truly encouraging report. The synchronization of your administrative data with the physical reality in RW16 is impressive, and the utilization of the tech integrated was the bank stand out brilliantly. However, we must not become complacent. Continuous improvement is critical, especially in precision scale, digital documentation quality, and ensuring our cadres communities flawlessly. With the evaluator, let me be clear, Jatiranga success in Jati Sampurna success, the burden does not fall on Jatiranga alone. This is our shared responsibility. Therefore, I urgently request all other village head in Jati Sampurna district to pour in your constructive suggestion, share your file expression, and pledge your absolute support to Kelurahan Jatiranga. I want to hear from every Lurah right now. Let us solidify our collective commitment. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Head of District, for underlining the power of shared responsibility and solidarity. As in truth, we will now open the floor for suggestion, recommendation, and support from the other village head. We believe the change of ideas here will greatly encourage Jatiranga's final preparation. To begin with great respect, we invite the head of Kelurahan Jatirangon to deliver her support. The floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Ms. Moderator. Kelurahan Jatirangon express our full and absolute support to Kelurahan Jatiranga. We are incredibly proud to have you represent our district. I have two main suggestions. First, ensure the document system is impenetrable every photo, attendance record, and report must be meticulously archived digitally, and report must be meticulously archived digitally, as this is your strongest defense during assessment. Second, conduct frequent simulation, visit or mock assessment. Your cadets must understand the indicators so deeply that their explanation to the judges sound natural and confident. Kelurahan Jatiranggon is ready to assist with administrative review or share documentation format whenever needed. Best of luck to Jatirangga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Thank you very much to Head of Kelurahan Jatiranggon for those highly practical recommendation regarding documentation and mock assessment. The spirit of mutual support is truly shining through. Next, we respectfully invite the Head of Kelurahan Jatiraden to deliver his suggestion and support for Jatirangga. Jatiraden, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jatiraden stands firmly behind Jatirangga, the profession you present in exceptional solid. Based on our past experience, my key recommended is to prepare highly. We pick up personnel at every assessment point. The next week, obstacle always happen. Someone gets sick or there is a logistic delay. If your backup officer are as well trained as your primary officer, the continuity of the assessment will never be compromised. Also, establish a fast communication command post via WhatsApp or radio during actual visit to anticipate the judge movement. Jatiradian is ready to assist with field simulation if request. We believe Isul Jatirangga, you can do it. Thank you. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Head of Kelurahan Jatiraden, for that crucial advice on backup personnel and fast communication lines. This exchange of ideas is incredibly valuable. Let us move forward and invite the Head of Kelurahan Jatikarya to share his insight and support. The floor is yours. Jatikarya, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Sriyanti. Kelurahan Jatikarya gives its absolute backing to Jatirangga. Your presentation today proved your readiness. My input focus on maximizing broad community involvement. Ensure that it's not just the PKK that is running the show on evaluation day. Involve the youth organization or Karang Taruna heavily. They bring immense energy and digital literacy, making them perfect for handling digital documentation and social media tracking on the spot. Also, involve a local entrepreneur in the UMKM zone so the evaluator see genuine grassroots participation. Kelurahan Jatikarya is fully available to collaborate and support your effort. Makes Jati Sampurna proud. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Head of Kelurahan Jatikarya for emphasizing the vital role of youth organization and local entrepreneur. Finally, to complete this circle of support, We respectfully invite the head of Kelurahan Jati Sampurna to deliver his suggestion and encouragement. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, moderator. Kelurahan Jati Sampurna, stand firmly with Jatirangga. I want to highlight your greatest. We found the RW 16 Tech Integrated Waste Bank. This is a phenomenal innovation. My suggestion is to ensure you prefer real-life success stories or testimonial from
Saya minta tolong difotoin
Presiden
dong.
was economy improved because of this circular economy model. Data on a chat is great, but resident explaining how the West Bank increased their daily income will leave an unregrettable emotional impact on the Jagress. Kelurahan Jati Sampurna is ready to support you with any coordination needed. Go get the victory for us, Jatirangga. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Miss Yanti, your microphone, please. Okay.
Thank you, Head of Kelurahan Jati Sampurna, for that powerful advice on humanizing our data, though resident testimonials. Distinguished participants, we have just witnessed an incredible display of solidarity to provide a response to this tremendous web of support. We invite the Head of Jati Sampurna District to take the floor once again.
Okay, thank you, Miss Yanti. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, moderator. I echo the Camat pride in the phenomenal preparation by Kelurahan Jatirangga. I want to add a vital administrative and social dimension to your preparation. First, on the way of the assessment, I request that all stakeholders and district apparatus from sub-district official to village staff be physically present to support Jatirangga. Your present demonstrates our massive collective commitment. Second, it is imperative that Kelurahan Jatirangga officially invite local community leaders and traditional figures, tokoh adat, tokoh masyarakat, to be present at the assessment location. Their presence prove to the judge that this PKK program are deeply rooted in the community's culture and possess genuine grassroots backing, not just government mandates. The district secretariat provides our full support to ensure Jatirangga's success. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Mr. Nurdin, for those incredibly strategic points regarding the physically present of official and the involvement of traditional leaders. Distinguished participants, we have had a highly productive session today, covering every aspect of our preparation. Before we move to our closing activities, I respectfully invite the head of Jati Sampurna District to deliver to the final conclusion of today's meeting. Mr. Camat, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Sri Yanti. I am immensely proud today to all the village head, Jatiranggon, Jatiraden, Jatikarya, and Jati Sampurna. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your constructive input on unwavering support. Mr. Iban Sugianto and the entire Jatirangga team, please take this positive point to heart the suggestion about ballot probe documentation, mock simulation, backup personnel, youth agreement, and resident testimonial are not critics, they are golden blueprint. For the preparation, integrate this input immediately into your final preparation so that the result exhibited by Kelurahan Jatirangga will be absolutely maximate this collaboration proof that Jati Sampurna move as one solid unit. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Head of District, for the powerful and clear conclusion. Witness serves as our ultimate compass. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to refresh our mind and add some excitement before we close, we will enter your interactive Kahoot quiz session. Please prepare your smartphone, take your smartphone or open browser window. Here is how to join. Go to kahoot.it and enter the game pin display on the screen right now. Please use your name, real, and kelurahan, so we know who win. The question will test your knowledge on today's PKK presentation. Remember, speed and accuracy are key to winning. Let's jump right in and see who paid the most attention.
Wait a minute.
Take your smartphone.
Okay.
Take your smartphone.
Okay.
Kahoot.it.
Okay.
In browse.
Okay, finish.
Not yet. Wow. Participate. Good. Pin 101603. Sat 101603. Enter. Please enter your name. Asik. Are you ready?
Ready.
Participant, how much?
Partisipan
34. So. 34. Come on, please. 35. Come on. Games.
Okay. How much the
38.
participant now?
Participant 38. Come on, please. 40. Come on. Mr. Chamat, give money, maybe. And chocolate, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe,
Mr.
mungkin,
Pin.
maybe Secretary of District, maybe give money again.
Ready.
Give money too, please. Participan 42. Come on. 43. Until how much?
Okay.
60 maybe.
Can we start?
45. 40.
Okay.
Partisipan 47. 48, maybe. Come on, please. Partisipan. Come on. Head of district give a money. Money lo money. Secretary
Okay.
maybe.
Start.
Start. 48 ya. 48. 48. Partisipan 48. Come on, operator, please.
Let's start.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Please. 2, 3, 3, 2. Quiz. Which activity is scheduled as the final preparation before PKK assessment? Wow. 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 Final indicators, selection, and field review preparation. Good job. Next. Wow.
Wih,
Mr. Bawo, the first
hebat.
one. Next.
Gogon.
Next question.
Which of the following is included as one of the 4 interrelated pillars of communication? Wow. Waduh. 4. Wow, I am family warfare. Bowo, Mr. Gogon, Nurdiana Hairan.
Wih,
Keren. Amazing.
amazing.
Nurdiana. Give. Next. Why is Airway 16 West Bank Highly in the blueprint? Wow.
Is
Technology
Pecah
was
Ait itu siapa?
management. Wow. Building function development office. Wow. Aduh. I don't know. How?
Okay.
Salah. I'm wrong. It serve an example technology. Who? Papan skor. Wey, Diana Hairani again.
Who is
Amazing.
Pecah Ait?
Yanti cantik where?
Who is Pecah Ait?
Yanti cantik where? Give up. Next. What is purpose of mapping administrative indicator to file advance? Wow. Mapping administrative. Next. Aduh, keren.
I'm true. I'm true.
I'm true too.
I'm true.
I'm true. The ensure document match actual implementation in the community. Wow, siapa? Wahai Nurdiana Hairani lagi. Again. Yanti cantik where?
Mrs. Reni.
Give up.
Lost.
I'm lost.
1285
Next.
Okay, next.
Okay, next. Mr. Gogan 2. Sorry. Next. Point ganda. Ganda point. When is
When
open?
is
Sorry,
open?
Jatisampurna District.
Tanggal berapa? Sudah.
No, I know. I'm true.
Ya, salah pencet.
Jadi sampai tanggalnya.
Double score loh.
Salah.
Wait. 15 August.
15 Agustus
You
ya.
remember always.
Okay,
Oh,
next.
Hey, Mrs. Reni.
Miss Reni. Yanti cantik masih lost. I'm true padahal
Next
tuh.
question.
Next.
I'm ready.
Next. Before official PKK assessment field development carry out. Wow. Recruit.
Conduct financial audit.
Okay, I'm finished.
I think
true.
so. I'm true.
Okay.
Good job. True. Good. I'm true.
Three
Yanti
point.
cantik where? I'm lost.
Here's 3
Next.
point.
I'm give up lost again.
Next question.
At the
At the end of representation Jatiranga Urban Village expand is communication. What? Commitment.
Okay, I'm true.
I'm not lost again.
Salah.
Woohoo! Yes! True. I'm not lost. Tuh, Miss Reni again. Mr. Gogon. The first.
Mr. Gogon.
Kita mau bikin gini gimana ya?
Yanti cantik where?
Kita bikin gini. Rapat begini kita bisa.
Kayaknya.
Next question.
I'm give up. Next. When will grand final of Jatisampurna Sub-District Independent Celebration?
Timnya game berapa sih, Pak?
Final celebration.
Agak tahu pindah sih. Finalnya kapan?
I'm true.
Hah?
I'm true. I think so.
I'm true.
Oh! Blue. Wow, tuh kan. I think so. Finally, 27 August. Lomba and senam.
Next.
Oh, Mr. Gogon, the one. Mr. Gogon, Miss Reni, and Bo.
Championship.
Next question.
Mr. Gogon.
Yanti cantik orang-orang ada nih. Plus again. Next.
Who is Andu?
Wis
Andu.
Andu. Mana?
Bu Yanti,
Come
saya
on,
meminta
come on,
aja
come on.
coklat.
Come on. Yanti cantik. Lost. Next.
Next question.
Finally, question. No. When will
When will
badminton
the badminton
tournament? Turnamen badminton.
Kita nggak tahu jadwalnya ya.
Koordinator.
Aduh.
You know.
Koordinator yang menang ini, yang pasti tahu
Badminton
siapa.
kan harusnya.
Koordinator.
Padahal semalam
Yes,
udah dikasih
yes.
tahu tuh playernya. Ada
Ya,
tuh jadwal-jadwalnya.
enggak. Beneran ini mah. True.
Salah
Salah
jawabannya.
mulu.
Yes.
I am true. I'm
13
true.
August. What? Next. Who score papan score? Yanti cantik
Mr.
where?
Gogon.
Masya
Ah,
Allah, Mr.
Gogon.
Gogon
Gogon.
Maning.
Mr.
Gogon
Gogon,
Miss
Maning.
the
Reni
best.
dan Mr. Bowo.
Next.
Gogon, Faklah.
I'm lost again. When will class tournament head of Jati Sampurna District? Wow, catur tanggal. I see.
Aduh.
District of Jati Sampurna if wrong. Parah.
Pak Camat ini menang dah.
I
Parah.
don't
Kalau
understand.
salah, parah.
Pak Camat yang tahu kok.
Camat ini mah tahu dia.
I'm true.
Yes, I'm true. Come on,
Salah
skor.
lagi.
Skor papan, please. Skor papan, please.
Saya tuh. Dari Bu.
Oh.
Skor papan, please.
Dari Bu.
Yeay.
Gogon.
Hey, Mr. Gogon.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, Miss Reni.
Bravo.
The winner.
Congratulations.
Hadiahnya apa ini? Hadiahnya?
Mrs. Reni.
Karena tentang
umroh.
PKK jadi menang ya.
Silver Queen.
Hadiahnya cuma
Mungkin ke
coklat.
Italia. Maybe.
Amazing.
Keren.
Congratulations.
Yanti, hadiahnya
Yes.
mana Yanti?
Yes.
Hadiahnya apa hadiahnya?
Hadiahnya umroh. Kalau
Nah.
Bu Reni berarti ke Italia dia.
Nggak nyampe ini apa juara
Saya maunya
7.
ke Perancis.
Asik.
Ini nggak nyampe juara
Request
7.
Miss Reni to Prancis, please. Oke, thank
Perapatan
you
Ciamis.
for participant. Unmute, please mute again. Okay, please mute again. Congratulations to our Kahoot quiz, the winner today, Miss Reni, Mr. Gogon, and Mr. Bo. Congratulations for you all.
Congratulations.
Your speed and focus were incredible. Before, thank you to head of district, the district secretary, the district, the head of communicate, community and procurement section, all village head, PKK administrator, and every decided participant who stay with us from start to finish. Let us carry this collaborative spirit directly into our real wood preparation for Kelurahan Jatirangga. I officially close today Friday morning meeting. Stay healthy, keep up the fantastic work, and let us win this for Jati Sampurna. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bu Yanti.
Good job, Miss Yanti.
Nice work. For us.
Good, luar biasa.
Picture.
Please stop recording.
Is recording.
Please.